Every comfortable bamboo garment you wear begins its journey in a place like this. This is where nature becomes fashion.
From tall bamboo plants to soft, everyday clothing, millions of garments flow through this line every month.
One hand holds the plant, the other holds the garment. What happens in between is an extraordinary industrial journey. From fast-growing bamboo to fashionable clothing portelace, this line transforms nature into wearable comfort.
These fast-growing stalks are the beginning of every bamboo garment. Quality starts at the source.
Only the best bamboo makes it to the line. One poor batch can affect thousands of garments.
Enough bamboo is stored here for several days of continuous garment production.
Precision cutting prepares the bamboo for its transformation into soft textile fiber. Industrial bamboo chippers operate at high speeds with tight. Every kilogram is accounted for on its path to becoming comfortable bamboo clothing. Controlled temperature and moisture change the bamboo before the real transformation begins. Stabilis. The right blend determines the final softness and strength of the bamboo clothing. Blending accuracy above 99.5. This is the moment raw bamboo officially begins its journey into clothing. Accurate feeding is critical. Misalignment can significantly impact yield.
Here the tough bamboo stalks begin becoming the soft fiber used in clothing.
Thousands of tons of pressure and chemistry turn bamboo into textile-ready fiber.
Controlled cooling locks in the fiber properties needed for comfortable clothing. Clean, uniform fibers are essential for high-quality bamboo garments. These treatments give bamboo clothing its famous softness and durability. Only perfect fibers continue toward becoming clothing. Early inspection reduces final defects significantly. Thousands of fibers combine into yarn, ready for weaving into fabric. Strong, even yarn is the foundation of durable bamboo clothing. Natural and sustainable dyes bring life to bamboo fabric. Heat locks in color and properties for long-lasting bamboo garments.
Looms turn yarn into the soft fabric used for bamboo clothing. This step gives bamboo clothing its signature silky softness.
Precise cutting turns fabric into parts of future garments. Skilled hands and machines bring the clothing together. Sewing lines handle hundreds of garments per shift.
Strong seams ensure the garment lasts. Quality sewing is critical for durability.
Heat and pressure give the clothing its polished look.
Every garment is thoroughly checked before packaging.
Attention to detail ensures only perfect garments leave the line.
Heat permanently sets the bamboo fabric, so the finished garments keep their shape after washing.
The last thorough cleaning ensures the bamboo clothing reaches the customer in perfect condition. This step enhances the natural softness that makes bamboo clothing so desirable. Multiple stages ensure the rich colors of bamboo clothing remain vibrant wash after wash.
All the separate pieces finally become finished bamboo clothing, ready for the world.
A final human check ensures every bamboo garment meets high standards before machine work and packaging. Advanced machines ensure every bamboo garment has perfect proportions.
Advanced machines ensure every bamboo garment has perfect proportions. CNC systems reduce manual cutting errors dramatically.
Every bamboo garment receives its permanent identity and care instructions.
This step creates the signature ultra-soft touch of premium bamboo clothing.
Precise engineering makes bamboo garments both beautiful and practical. Automated machines maintain tight tolerances.
Bamboo clothing must stretch comfortably and return to shape. Every piece is tested.
Robots ensure gentle, consistent handling of delicate bamboo fabrics. Force-controlled robots prevent damage. Only garments that pass every test proceed to packaging. Automated systems test dozens of parameters quickly. These tests ensure the bamboo garments will withstand real-world use. Pressure testing detects even minor weaknesses.
Each bamboo garment is tracked from factory to customer. Serialization enables full supply chain visibility. The last machine confirms everything is perfect before packaging. Precision inspection guarantees consistency.
The last cleaning ensures every bamboo garment looks brand new. Final cleaning meets retail presentation standards. Protective packaging preserves the softness and appearance of bamboo clothing. Proper inner packaging greatly reduces transit damage. Every detail is included so customers receive the complete bamboo clothing experience. Kitting ensures nothing is missing.
Strong cartons protect the bamboo clothing. It is a safe journey to stores and homes. High-speed lines process dozens per. Correct labeling ensures every bamboo garment reaches the right destination. Vision systems achieve near-perfect label. Efficient packing prepares hundreds of garments for global distribution. Optimized patterns maximize shipping efficiency. One pallet can contain hundreds of bamboo garments, ready to reach customers worldwide.
The last check confirms the entire batch of bamboo clothing meets every standard. AQL sampling ensures consistent quality. From tall green stalks to soft, sustainable fashion, this is the full story of bamboo clothing. Today, the factory ran at high efficiency, producing thousands of high-quality bamboo garments. World-class plants target.
All of these started as bamboo plants this week. Soon they will be worn around the world. This is the result. Sustainable, soft, beautiful bamboo clothing made through precision and care, from plant to